May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Have your seat.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is my resume.
What is your education qualification?
I have recently completed my MCA in Telangana University.
Do you have any experience?
Yes, sir. I worked 1 year in TCS company.
Why did you give up your previous job?
In order to expand my skill set and experience, I have left my previous job.
Do you have any experience computer skills?
Yes, sir. I skilled in Microsoft application.
What are your salary expectations?
25,000, sir.
Why did you interested to work in this company?
I am interested to work in this company because this is one of the renowned companies of corporate sector in Hyderabad at present.
How do you handle important discussions?
Every time I give value to my commitment and believe in my hard work.
So thank you for participating this interview. Let us think us about yourself and we will let you know. Similarly, wish you have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you very much too, sir. I am fully ready to work with your company and we will wait to be the part of your company organization.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Go.
Good evening, children. Myself Akash. I am studying in 10th class. I am from Government High School, Nizamabad, Dubba. Today I am here to tell you the new story about the two friends and the bear. Sohan and Mohan were friends. They lived in a village. Once they made a plan to go to Varanasi. They passed through a forest. Wild animals lived in that forest. On the way, they saw a bear. Sohan was selfish. He climbed up a tree to save his life. But Mohan could not climb up a tree. So he made him to lay down on the ground, and the bear came. Bear smelt him and took him to be dead. The bear went away. Sohan came down and asked to Mohan, what was the bear saying to your ears? Mohan replied, the bear advised me to be brave with those friends who will leave you in the time of danger. And the moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed.